Business is its own data skill. Once upon a time, I hired a wickedly smart physics PhD for a data job. And it was a complete disaster. Not because they weren't brilliant, but because I was an idiot. This was very early in my data management career, right at the beginning of data science as a field, back when nobody knew anything and we were all just figuring things out. I hired someone to take over data support for the marketing team at my company. And my thinking was simple. If this person could figure out the fundamental forces that make up the universe, of course they could figure out marketing, right? It's just marketing. It can't compare to literal rocket science. So it turns out that I was wrong. Not just a little wrong, but very wrong. Business is its own skill, and it's unrealistic to expect that someone is going to be able to just figure it out on the fly just based on them having a technical PhD. Business is its own thing. Like everything else, you start at the bottom and you work your way up. Even very smart people who are smart in certain ways might have no natural talent for business. It might always be a struggle for them. You know how there are some people in like your math class where math always just clicked for them? And then there were those other people who your teacher would just like repeat over and over and over trying to simplify things for them. Business is the same thing. Some people it just clicks for, and some people really struggle with it and might never really click for them. As a data person, your success is going to come from a mix of your technical skills and your business skills. While there are countless resources online and influencers and videos targeted at data people to develop your technical data skills, my message here is that you also need to develop your business skills. And this can take many forms. You can read books, you can take courses, you can go for coffee chats with people and pick their brains. I'm sure that if you put your mind to it, you will find many ways that are a straightforward path to learn the various different business skills you find yourself needing for your job. But my one message here is don't ignore it, as many other data people do. I think the default for data people when it comes to developing their business skills is that those skills develop at the speed of whatever I need to learn for this project or whatever the minimum is that I learn passively at the company that I'm at or in the role that I'm at. That is what I'm going to do to learn. And I think if you want to level up in your data career and you want to become a top data person, you should be far more proactive in developing those business skills that will help you succeed. And in fact, beyond a certain level, once you have a strong foundation of technical skills, most of your success at a very senior level is going to be driven by those business skills. And spending time developing that is extremely important for your career.